Well, happy Thanksgiving. If you're up, you're either getting ready for work or getting ready to do a lot of work on cooking, and we're certainly with you on that. 72 degrees, and it already is looking good here in the studio. We have some special guests in this morning. Winds out of the south at 14 miles per hour. Humidity at 78%. That's pretty much the way it's been over the past several days. Warm mornings, but it all changes. You've heard about it. I know we've certainly said it enough, but it happens today. Big cold front rolls in about noontime or so. We'll keep you up to date. Watch through the morning hours. Also, if you have a new fancy phone that lets you do apps, maybe it's an iPhone or an Android or BlackBerry, you have the ability to also get Twitter feeds, and you get to pick what you want on there. It's not just a bunch of stuff in there. Do a search on KXAN weather, and you'll get updates. I'm going to be giving updates on where the front is through the morning hours. If kids or anybody that you have coming over are going to be playing outside, we have a chance for a few showers and thunder showers as that front rolls in. Beyond that, it gets windy and cold as we get into the evening hours. So 72 degrees. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s. Right now, we have 75 in the Grange to 69 out to the west. The front is right up here. Really, it's just out here, San Saba, and you've got Brownwood right here. And you were looking at front right on the edge. That's where the wind shift is. Once that moisture, that cold air pushes in and that moisture starts overriding it, you get it condensing, and then we start seeing showers. And even to the north, and this is not something we'll deal with, but you see the blue up there? They're getting a little snow up in Amarillo. In some places around the U.S., they've had quite a bit more snow, but for us, it is just going to be rain as it passes on through. So at 5:16, this early hour, a lot of folks up. Maybe you're getting prepped and ready, maybe you're shopping or what have you. It is certainly going to be warm for the morning and then much colder for the afternoon. Again, if you're going to be going to the UT game, bundle up. Very windy, very cold as we get into the morning hours tomorrow morning. Some freezing temps out there that will certainly really test how good of a shopper you are, how steadfast you are in that. Showers, now clouds and radar, you can see the showers out here as we go through the noontime hour. There's 12 noon. It could be edging through the area, which means the front may be already pushing through and the winds out of the north already. So no matter what, no matter when it gets through, we know temperatures are going to stay warm up until the point where the wind starts shifting over to the west. They'll be a little calmer, and then they'll gust up out of the north, and then everything is in, and the front will be moving its way through. All right, as we get into tomorrow, maybe a few scattered clouds, but overall we're in good shape for some clear weather, and that also means some pretty cold weather into the weekend. 72 for the high today. For the morning hours, a cloud cover 72, and then this afternoon, sunshine, very breezy. Temperatures will start to fall into the 60s and 50s by game time tonight. 50s into the 40s, and then after that we get down to 35. Winds out of the north at 10 to 15. Over the next several days, how does it shape up? Well, there's the freezing weather possibilities for the next couple of mornings. 50s for the high tomorrow, 60s on Saturday, and then another front coming in on Monday brings a slight chance for showers and cooler weather. Maybe not as extreme, but yes, cooler weather and maybe a possibility for a freeze on Wednesday. More on a forecast coming up.